guys, good morning. So it's been a while since nung nag-vlog ako and super busy ko kasi for the past 3 weeks kasi naglipat ako dito sa aking new condo. So later, itutur ko kayo. But for now, I'm going to the gym. So yun nga, kanina nag-breakfast na ako and naisipan ko pumunta doon sa Nayong Pilipino. So, dito kasi sa bago kong neighborhood, aside from Okada, meron dito parang park. Though hindi pa siya developed, kaya i-explore ko siya kung pwede bang magpunta doon and mag-walk. So, hopefully, payagan tayong mag-walk. And yun na yung magiging cardio ko. And then after that, I'll go to the gym para mag-workout. So, let's go. Let's go. What a beautiful morning! Sana lang ito yung weather. Although medyo mainit kapag hapon na. But prefer ko pa din yung ganito, blue skies and hindi umuulan because I'm a sunny girl. Anyway, so dito lang naman tayo pupunta sa Nayong Pilipino and i-check natin kung makakapasok tayo. Diba? Few steps lang from my place and para na tayo nasa kagubatan. So sobrang weird lang kasi ang tawag dito para kung nasa ibang lugar. Parang wala na ako sa city agad. So ang cool lang. Although sana in the future ma-develop siya into a park parang katulad sa Ayala Triangle na meron silang park in the middle of the business district because I can see the potential kasi sobrang laki neto guys. Isa siyang malaking bilog na lote ng mga kapunuan. So perfect to if ever magsa-set up sila soon or i-develop nila to into a nice park. Sana wag mall. Sana gawing park na lang para fab. Mapo-walk muna ako dito sa labas instead of sa treadmill because mas bad ko yung fresh air pag naglalakad or tumatakbo. And the good thing about this place is that meron silang area where you could walk or run if you want. So meron ditong patio area with some outdoor gym equipments. So it's really nice kasi yun nga, hindi mo na kailangan lumabas. Ako personally, like 3 weeks na akong nakatira dito and sobrang rare ko na lumabas. Like hindi na rin ako nagja-jog dyan sa labas because parang feeling ko nalalayuan ako sa mga bagay-bagay. So parang mas prefer ko na lang na dito na lang ako sa loob ng building. Kasi may outdoor spaces naman and hindi ko naman na need, lumabas. And kaya I feel like, I don't know, I'm so happy na nahanap ko tong place ako. Actually, wala naman talaga akong plan na lumipat ng house because yung old condo ko, which I'm gonna show you in few seconds, okay naman siya. It's a studio unit and it's a brand new unit as well nung nakuha ko siya. Pero kasi for the last few months, parang medyo hindi na maganda yung stay ko, yung experience ko doon. Siguro mga minor details lang like yung elevator, always crowded and madumi. Yung amenities area, sobrang daming tao kasi parang almost everyday maraming nag-Airbnb. Tapos yung noise and kalat na problems, though hindi naman siya maiiwasan sa mga condo, pero kasi naging apparent na siya nung last few months ng stay ko doon. And pinaka-last na nag-trigger talaga sa akin is yung inform sila na mag-increase daw um, ng rental fee. So sabi ko, nag-request lang ako ng tables and chairs or tables and chairs and sofa kasi nga supposedly dapat may ganun talaga yung unit ko pero hindi nila na-provide before. Sabi ko, since mag-increase kayo ng rent, why don't you add na yung mga furnitures na kulang ko? And ang na-approve lang is yung chairs, pero actually yung sofa lang yung na-approve, pero yung dining tables and chair, hindi siya na-approve. So sabi ko, okay, I think it's about time for me to find new condo. So naghanap ako in Makati, BGC, and wala akong nakita na pasok dun sa budget ko at the same time yung maayos. Kasi ang sabi ko sa sarili ko, if I wanted to move to a different place, it has to be better. Better amenities, better room, better view. And na-check lahat na tong place na to. So, I'm really happy that I'm moving here. And so na-inspire ko lalong work hard actually. Because I really want to keep this lifestyle, if not improve pa. So, later, tutur ko kayo doon sa aking new condo. But for now, I'm gonna show you yung old video na na-film ko before when I'm touring my old condo. So, eto yan. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, finally, nakapag-moving na tayo sa ating new condo. And for today's video, ay magka-condo tour tayo. Actually guys, I've been living here for almost 2 months now. And I think this is the best time for me to show you what's cooking. So let's go. So this is actually a studio unit, and disclaimer lang guys, this is not the final form of my condo. So I'm planning to renovate this apartment into something like this. Minimalist studio fashion, that's the idea. So, but for now, I'm going to show you around, okay? So the first thing that you're gonna see when you enter my condo is this kitchen. So what I really like about this condo is that the kitchen is actually really nice. So everything here feels premium and luxe. So may built-in induction cooker na siya. May kasama na siyang built-in cabinets. Built-in induction cooker. Basically, everything here you see in my kitchen is actually from this condo. Now, on our left side is my shoe rack, the toilet and bath, and also the washing machine that was also given to me by this property management. This is my ensuite toilet and bath, so as you can see, it's giving hotel vibes, and this is one of the reasons also why I decided to get this apartment. This is the main area of the condo. Now, since it's a studio unit, everything is basically an open concept. So on my left is my closet. Now this drawer is actually also a built-in. So it's already here when I arrived. Now this plant naman, I just got it last night. That's why I decided to film a condo tour because, it gives life to my condo. Now, on my right naman is my big table. Now, I specifically asked for a smaller table because I don't want my room to be, so cluttered. But I feel like they don't have enough, smaller table. That's why they gave me this big corporate or office table. But I feel like they got this sa bodega pa because, it looks so luma. But it's actually really useful. So, I'm not complaining, but I'm going to replace this table. I'm going to replace this table siguro mas smaller para mas magkaroon ng space dito sa kanyang walk-through or sa runway. Runway ba tawag yan? Or dito sa aisle na to para walang makaharang masyado. So basically, this apartment is like semi-furnished because this queen-size bed is actually also from the property management. So I specifically requested for a queen-size bed para, if I ask friends to come over, the bed is big enough for us to accommodate. Now, what I really like about this bed is that it's really, really comfortable. Now, I feel like the mattress that they gave me is actually high quality, which is perfect. Now, I bought this covers and yung pillows natin sa Landmark because I feel like yung mga pillows online is not that good based on my experiences. Anyway, so beside my bed is actually this bedside table that I got online. And when you open the doors, this is what you're gonna see. So when you open the glass door, basically I have a very spacious balcony. So I have the view of City of Dreams, the pool area, and the EA Terminal 4. So I'm actually planning to renovate this condo in the next few months. So I want to change the lights and I wanted to add some sofas here and some lights. Change the table and add some more plants. So hopefully magawa natin siya, and the next video that you will see is going to be the final form of my condo.